everyone, I'm Ailish and I run the multi-award winning natural and organic beauty blog called theglowgetter.co. So today I'm going to be creating a Himalayan pink salt body scrub using Manuka honey, coconut oil and Himalayan pink salt. The reason Manuka honey is so amazing is because it's a humectant, which means that it draws moisture from the air into your skin, but then it also keeps the moisture in there as well. So I'm firstly going to use the Himalayan pink salt. 1, 2, 3, and then finally 4. So next we're going to add in the Manuka honey. I'm just using a tablespoon of this here as well. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty with this. And then finally we're going to use some of the organic coconut oil here. And now I'm going to mix it all together. So this is the recipe completely done. Pop some in your hand and then start to rub it on. It also kind of helps promote blood flow because you can see my skin's getting a little bit pink here, and this is from the skin kind of detoxifying itself, but then also just having a really good exfoliation. So thank you everyone so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.